Hello everyone, welcome to Desilicious Kitchen. Today let us see how to make whole Masoor Dal. Friends, if you like our videos, press the subscribe button, press the bell icon to receive notifications from us. We have taken 2 cups whole Masoor Dal. 1 cup is 250 milliliter in our recipes as you all know. 2 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder to this. Half teaspoon red chilli powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, and add very little water sufficient to just make a paste and mix it well. Add 4 times the water to the quantity of dal, that is 8 cups water in a pressure pan. And to this boiling water add the ginger garlic, turmeric red chilli powder paste that we made, and now add the masoor dal. Add salt. Close the pressure pan. Put the lid and wait on. Now we have allowed 3 whistles. Pressure is gone now. Let us open the cooker. Our dal is very well cooked. Now let us add 2 medium-sized chopped tomatoes and 2 green chillies chopped, salt, amchur or dry mango powder, some coriander leaves, and now we have switched on the flame and we are going to bring it to a boil. In the meanwhile, to a small skillet that we have heated, we have added ghee, 2 tablespoons, and 2 tablespoons chopped garlic. And now we have added 1 teaspoon jeera, 1/4 teaspoon hing. We have switched off the tempering and we are adding the tempering to this dal. Dal has come to a boil and we have switched off the flame. In goes the tempering. The dal is smelling so good and looking so nice. This is an awesome preparation, unique in taste. Do try this out and give us your feedback here. Let's garnish with some coriander leaves. So bye for now. Take care. See you soon with another video.